A.S.R. Accurate Stitch Regulator. The A.S.R reacts to movement of the fabric and provides the same stitch length for free motion, roller work or variable zigzag. Press the Home key to go to the Home window. Press the Sewing Application key on the Home window and the Sewing Application menu will open. Press the Quilt icon and the Quilt Sewing Application menu will open. Press the Free Motion key. Press Straight Stitch 3. Press the Lockout key. Raise the foot with the foot lifter. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Attach the A.S.R foot holder to the presser bar from behind. Tighten the thumb screw with your fingers. Tighten the thumb screw firmly with the screwdriver to secure the foot holder. Insert the plug into the attachment connector on the rear of the machine. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Press the A.S.R key. Patterns not compatible with the Accurate Stitch Regulator cannot be selected. Set the speed control slider to the fastest position. Replace your needle plate with a straight stitch needle plate for straight stitch sewing. Pull out the lower thread about 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Place the fabric under the foot. Lower the presser foot. Hold the needle thread and start the machine. Sew one stitch and the machine stops automatically. Pull the needle thread up to bring the bobbin thread up. Hold both the needle and bobbin threads and sew several stitches to secure the threads. You can trim the thread tails with scissors. Sew the fabric while guiding it with your hands. The status indicator will turn red during operation. The sewing speed changes according to the movement of the fabric.